Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Bistegs TV. If you're craving something sweet, creamy, and ridiculously good, you're in for a treat. Today, we're making mango graham jelly. It's rich, fruity, and melts in your mouth. And the best part? No baking needed. Seriously, this dessert is so easy, it almost makes itself. So stick around, hit that like button, subscribe to Bistegs TV, and let's get started. First up, grab a bowl and pour in 1 pack of graham powder. Now add half a cup of melted butter. This is what gives it that rich, buttery goodness. Mix it all together until it's well combined. It should look like wet sand, but don't worry, it's gonna taste way better than that. Now that our graham mixture is ready, let's transfer it into a cake molder. Pour it in and spread it out evenly. Using the back of a spoon or a spatula, press it down firmly so it holds together. This is going to be the perfect buttery, crumbly base for our mango graham jelly. Make sure it's packed nice and tight. We don't want it falling apart later. Now, let's make sure our crust is perfectly smooth and even. Keep pressing it down with a spoon or spatula, flattening it as much as possible. We want a nice, compact base so that when we add the filling, everything holds together beautifully. Take your time. This step is key. Think of it like building the foundation of a house. But instead of bricks, we're using delicious, buttery graham. Once it's completely flat and firm, we're all set for the next step. Now for the fun part, the mangoes. Grab your diced mango pieces and spread them all over the crust. Make sure to cover the entire surface so every bite is bursting with fruity goodness. Once it's evenly layered, set it aside for later. Trust us, this is going to take the flavor to a whole new level. All right, now let's make the creamy mango-flavored jelly mixture that's going to bring everything together. Grab an empty pot and add 1 can of all-purpose cream. This makes our jelly rich, smooth, and extra creamy. 1 can of mango-flavored condensed milk. This brings the perfect amount of sweetness with that tropical mango twist. 1 can of evaporated milk. It helps balance out all the flavors while keeping the texture nice and velvety. 1 cup of water. This helps us get the perfect consistency. Not too thick, not too thin, just right. And finally, 1 sachet of mango-flavored gelatin powder. This is what gives our dessert that signature jelly-like texture. Now, whisk it all together really well. We don't want any lumps, just a smooth, silky mixture. Take your time and make sure everything is fully combined. You'll notice the texture starts to get thick and creamy. That's exactly what we want. Look at that creamy goodness. And can you smell it? It already smells like mango heaven. If this smells this good now, just wait until it's cooked. Now here's a little tip. If you want your jelly extra smooth, keep whisking for about a minute longer. It helps dissolve everything perfectly, so when it sets, it's silky, bouncy, and melts in your mouth. All right, our mixture is looking perfect. Now it's time to cook this and bring out all those amazing flavors. All right, now let's bring this mango magic to life. Turn the heat to low and let our mixture gently cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring, don't stop. We want everything to blend smoothly, no lumps, no burning, just pure, creamy perfection. You'll notice it starts to thicken slightly, and that's exactly what we want. Ooh, can you smell that? Sweet, tropical mango goodness filling the air. All right, time to bring it all together. Carefully pour our warm, creamy mango mixture into the cake molder we prepped earlier. Now, let it cool for about an hour until it thickens up. Trust us, the wait is worth it. Exciting. All right, our jelly has thickened up beautifully, and now it's time for the final delicious touch. Take the remaining mango pieces and gently scatter them all over the top. Make sure every bite is packed with that sweet, juicy mango goodness. Now here's the hardest part, waiting. Pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours so it can fully set. This is where the magic happens, giving us that perfect, creamy, melt-in-your-mouth texture. But hey, think of it this way. The longer we wait, the better it gets. So, be patient, because up next, we're serving this masterpiece. And just like that, our mango graham jelly is ready. Look at that smooth, creamy texture, those juicy mango chunks. It's pure dessert perfection. Time to slice, serve, and enjoy every bite. Amazing. Sweet, creamy, and packed with mango goodness? This one's a winner. If you had fun watching, don't forget to hit that like button and tell us in the comments how yours turned out. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tasty new recipe from Beastegs TV. Thanks for hanging out with us. Stay awesome, keep cooking, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.